A REST API, Representational State Transfer Application Programming Interface, is like a waiter in a restaurant. Imagine this: you, the client, are hungry and need food, information or resources. The restaurant, server, has a menu, data it can provide. The waiter, REST API, takes your order, request, delivers it to the kitchen, server, and brings back your food, response. Key concepts of REST API. 1. Client-server, the client makes requests, and the server provides the data. 2. Stateless, the waiter, API, doesn't remember past orders. Each request is independent and contains all the information needed. 3. Uniform interface, there's a consistent way to interact, get, retrieve data, example, give me the menu. Post, send data to the server, example, I want a pizza. Put, update existing data, example, change my order to pasta. Delete, remove data, example, cancel my order. 4. Resource representation, data is usually shared in a format like JSON or XML, much like your food is served on a plate, not raw ingredients. 5. Endpoints, each resource has an address, URL. For example, www.restaurant.com/menu could show the menu. www.restaurant.com/menu/pizza could give details about pizza. So basically REST API is a simple way for systems to talk to each other over the web. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more DevOps tutorials and tech explanations.